Are you still struggling to find an internship? Then wait, because the last 2 days I have been researching on internship. Like, especially for work from home opportunities, since many students are looking for a remote role right now. And after filtering all the expired application, I found a 10 internship that are still accepting applications. So these opportunities are for open college student and cover multiple tech domains. So we are talking about roles like AI operation engineer, Python developer, SDE intern, front end developer, full stack developer, ReactJS developer, data analyst, intern, AI engineer, WordPress developer, and more. And the best part, many of these internships are completely remote and some offering a monthly stipend. It's mean you can get money. So but here are something important. A few applications are closing within the next 3 to 8 days, so don't keep them safe for later. I have added all the link in the description below. Go check them out, apply as soon as possible, and if you know someone who's looking for an internship, share this video with them too. And if you want regular internship, job, and hiring updates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.